Hi, good morning. I am Mr. Eranio G. Alipio. Just call me Sir Ernie. Don't forget Sir Ernie. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. This is my first video lesson in mathematics. So to all mommies, daddies, to all the parents, guardians, and students, of course, continue to watch my video. I promise you that you're gonna learn a lot of things in mathematics, from basic to higher mathematics. We need to develop your critical thinking and your ability to solve problems. Okay, I hope patuloy kayo makikinig sa aking video, and thank you for watching once again. So let's start now to watch my video. Okay, thank you. Our lesson for today is about addition of integers. Okay, we have rules on how to add integers. To add integers with like signs, add their absolute values and then prefix the common sign. So what does it mean? Take a look at this. If we have positive 4 plus positive 8, what will be the sum? The sum will be positive 12. Why positive 12? Because the two given integers are like sign. So if they are like sign, we're going to add. So they are 12 and then follow their sign. Or that means you're going to prefix the common sign of the two. Okay, they are both positive, therefore the sum is positive. Another example, if we have negative 7 plus negative 5, okay, in this case, they are also like sign, they are both negative. So if they are like signs, you're going to add absolute values. So 7, the absolute values, and this absolute value is 5. So what is the sum? And then follow their sign or prefix the common sign. Therefore, the sum is equal to negative 12. Okay, all you have to do in this rule is to determine first and foremost if there are like signs or not. So if there are like signs, simply add and then follow their signs. Next one, to add integers with unlike signs, subtract their absolute values and copy the sign of the integer with bigger absolute value. By the way, maybe na-confuse kayo, ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng absolute value? Okay, the absolute value is the positive value of any integer. Say for instance, negative 7, the absolute value is positive 7. Okay, the absolute value of 5 is a positive 5, so that is the absolute value. Okay, to add integers with unlike signs, we're going to subtract because they are unlike sign. For example, negative 9 plus positive 5, okay, they are unlike sign. One is negative and the other one is positive. What are you going to do? Of course, you're going to subtract their absolute values. So the 9 minus 5, our sum is negative 4. Certainly, why negative 4? Because, as you can see, our bigger number is negative 9. Therefore, the sum is negative also. Or simply follow the sign of the bigger number. Another example is positive 8 plus negative 2. What will be the sum? The sum is equal to positive 6. Why positive 6? Because they are unlike sign. You should have to subtract 2 from 8. And then we have 6. Then follow the sign of the bigger number. The bigger number is 8, or the larger number. And then its sign is positive. Therefore, our sum is positive 6. So I hope you understand our lesson. It's really easy to do this by simply following the rules. For example, if they are both positive or both negative or there are like signs, what you have to do is to add and prefix the common signs. And then if there are unlike signs, one is positive and one is negative, what you have to do is to subtract and follow the sign of the larger number or the bigger number. Okay, let's try this. Example, we have negative 3 plus positive 15. Okay, number 1 question. what is the sum of -3 and +15? So you need to focus on their sign, whether they are like sign or unlike sign. So our given is unlike sign. What are you going to do? And what sign are we going to follow? So if you have idea, I will give you 3 seconds. Okay, if you have the answer, the correct answer is +12. Why +12, Sir Ernie? Because they are unlike sign, negative and positive. In the rule, what we're going to do is to subtract. 15 minus 3 is 12, and follow the sign of 15, which is the larger or bigger number. Therefore, our answer is +12. For the second trial, can you please try to find the sum of -13 and -7? So they are both negative. They are like sign. So what do you think is the sum? So we have the rule. If they are like sign, you're going to add or you're going to subtract. Okay, our answer for this question is -20. Yes, if you got -20, you got the correct answer. Why, sir, -20? Because according to the rule, if they are like sign, what you have to do is to add their absolute values and follow their sign, or copy the common sign of the two integers, which is negative. Okay, for the last one, so we have -23 less +6. So what is the sum? Okay, siguro may idea na kayo. At this time, they are unlike sign. One is negative and the other integer is positive. So when they are unlike sign, what are you going to do? Add or subtract? Okay, you have the answer. The correct answer is -17. Yes, it's -17. Why? Because the bigger number is 23 and the sign is negative. So follow the sign of the bigger number. And then they are unlike sign, automatic. Dapat yan isinasubtract natin. Subtract nyo lang yung 23, yung 6 sa 23. So we can get 17 and follow the sign of the bigger, negative. Therefore, the final answer is -17. So I hope you understand. So that's all of our lesson for today. Thank you so much for listening to me. So sana nag-enjoy kayo. So till then or till next time, this is yours truly, Sir Ernie. So good morning and God bless to everyone.